How can I restore a website to the top sites in Firefox after accidentally removing it? The Firefox new tab page has a feature called Top Sites, which shows the sites you visit most frequently for easy access. You can manually remove specific websites from this section, but if you do so by mistake, there is no obvious way to undo this operation. How can I restore a site to its former place after I have unintentionally removed it? Edit. Ideally, I would want to exactly undo the removal and thus restore it to its previous behavior of automatically sorting by frequency of visit. I am currently using Firefox 61.
How can I restore a site to its former place after I have unintentionally removed it? First, add it back. At a top site, hover the mouse pointer anywhere within the top site section of tiles and click on the three-dot menu that appears in the upper right corner. Click Add Top Site. Type in a title and URL for the site, then click Add. A tile with the first letter from the title will appear in your top sites. Then put it back in the correct place. Rearrange top sites, click and hold on a tile and drag it to another spot. Source customize the new tab page.
The websites blocked from the top sites are stored in the setting browser.newtabpage.block that can be found in About column config. However, the names of the sites are not stored in a human-readable format, so restoring a single website is difficult. The best possibility that I have found is to completely reset the setting, which restores all pages that were dismissed from the top sites.
Do you want to support channel? Please consider liking and subscribe.